Guys, we're at the lake and it's cold. The lake's frozen, which is not normal. Truck's replacing the Jeep here. The Jeep's coming home with me. I'm pumped about that. I'm even more pumped about one more thing. I'm pumped about that. Holy crap, that hardtop looks amazing. I wasn't anticipating it looking that good. I have a black on black hardtop. I just wasn't positive about it. All the hardtops I've ever had in the past on my Jeeps have all been tan. And man, it even looks good with the soft doors. Now I'm still getting hard doors, full hard doors for it, because I like to roll down windows. And I just like the feel of it with the hardtop for the winter. But that fits really well, and it looks amazing. I mean, it's dirty, don't get me wrong. It's really dirty from sitting over here at the lake. But I am shocked at how good it looks. This is the only thing wrong with it, is this crack right here. It does go all the way through, but it doesn't affect the structural rigidity of it. Everything works fine. It doesn't affect it in any way. So what I'll do is I'll clean up this crack right here, and then I'll put some resin on the backside with a little piece of fiberglass. It'll be fine. It needs to be cleaned. It's really, really, really dirty, but it looks awesome with a YouTube emblem right here, right back here. Man, it looks nice. It'll definitely look better with some full hard doors with the windows tinted. Looks tough, and the roll cage didn't interfere at all, which I didn't think it would, but it's always nervous whenever I do stuff like that. All right, well, it's way too cold to be at the lake. I don't know if you can tell, the lake's basically dry at this point anyway. So we got the jet skis put up. I'll be back next weekend. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer, do some work. So it's the next day. I'm back at the house, and it's a cold but very beautiful day, but very cold. So just to finish up the hardtop video, I'm going to show you kind of in and out and around the hardtop and kind of talk about how much I paid for it. I think I've already done that one video, but I'll do it in another one. And we're going to put some decals on it. It's a little cold. You're not supposed to do that in the cold because of the glue and all that, but we're going to go ahead and do it anyway. How about that? The top needs to be cleaned. And I don't have time to clean the whole thing, but I'm going to clean where I'm going to put the decal. So it's got some water here. Top's not disgusting. It doesn't take much. You could use some cleaner if you wanted to, but as you can see, it's not really dirty. Back off. Make sure it is nice and dry. Okay. And you can see I've put decals on before. Obviously, y'all seen videos. If you've watched any of my videos, you've seen the hood decal, these small decals on the side. Well, I'm gonna put my YouTube decal right here. And the key will be getting it level, which I'm just gonna do by hand. If you don't have a steady hand, I would suggest having someone help you put some lines up, maybe a straight edge up here where you feel comfortable. That way it doesn't get off, because nothing's worse than a sticker that's just barely cocked sideways. Starts to lift one of the letters, because these are kind of small. If it starts to lift, just use your fingers and hold it down and pull the backing off, and then push the letters back down. Being careful not to push the letters off to the side. You go. Nice, I like it. I wish I'd have got silver, but white is just fine. In case you're wondering, I got the decals at InShaneDesigns.com. A fellow YouTuber, has a much larger base than I, obviously. Got them out to me pretty quick, and pretty good quality. I may go back and get one with a different font next time, but check them out. Pretty cheap. They're available all over the internet, but I like the very simple design. So, all right, let's talk about this cheap top for a little bit. It was very cheap, and there is reasons for that. And Paid $400 for it. It works great, drove it yesterday, but there are some issues. It's got a scuff right here, no big deal. This is cracked, this back corner you can see, and that is a little bit bigger of a deal. It's not structurally bad. It's got a small crack right here and a crack right here, and that causes it to flare out a little bit. The only reason this is flared out this badly is because the crack affects the hole for the last bolt right here, which I'm going to have to remedy with some large washers. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. Everything's fine back here. All this works fine. It's fine on this side until you get to this front corner. Also has a crack. This crack is a lot less of an issue. I'll just put some epoxy resin on the back side, something to firm it up, and that one's good. But other than that, top's in great shape. All the glass is good. Like I said, structurally it's fine. This glass is good, goes up and down. I've got to pull the wiring out to wire this up. The wiring harness is in there. I've just got to get it to where it all hooks up. It does have the defroster. So you can see that crack right there. And then you can see the one back there, maybe. It's not too dark. But it fits great. It is much quieter, except for these soft doors. Still cause a ton of wind noise. Still loving the seats. Got me another decal there, which I really like. Next investment is definitely hard doors. So guys, that's a quick video on the top. If you're in the market for a top, just go ahead and just keep looking. Obviously, wintertime is not the best time to get them. I probably could have got it a little cheaper if it would have been available during the summer. For 400 bucks, it was well worth the investment. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ready to do some more Jeep videos. And guys, have a great day.